Good morning, Jasmine with WTI. You caught me enjoying my morning cup of brew. Look at how beautiful it is. These are TriAqua's double-walled glass mugs. They come with an adorable little spoon, comes as a set of 2, and I have to share these with you because they make everything look good. And they keep your warm drinks especially warm for a long period of time. Let me show you some of the other details that I really love about these glasses. These mugs are simply beautiful in design. They fit perfectly in my espresso machine, which is a total bonus. The spoons come in handy for scooping out the foam for your delicious latte or stirring in the honey for your favorite tea. The double glass wall protects your hands and lips from getting burned no matter how hot your drinks are. And when it comes to cold drinks, that means no sweating. And for the cherry on top, they are dishwasher safe. Whether you start or finish your day with a warm drink, TriAqua has your back with these double-walled glass mugs. They keep your warm drinks warm, your cool drinks cool, and are the perfect gift set to give to someone you love. But that's just my point of view.